Okay, today I want to quickly show you how you can monitor your labor and exactly who's doing what at what time and how much time they should be working. So we've developed a screen called a who's doing what screen, and in this case I have 6 employees. Each of them, 2 of them are idle and 4 of them are currently working on 2 particular jobs, 26 and 25. So you'll see that job number 26 in the panel beating section, employee 1 has worked already 6 hours when he should have only worked 224, and in the employee number 5 has worked 2 hours and 7 minutes of 348. So he's in the stripping section, so that's fine. That's a separate allocation, so his job time allocation is still sufficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you how this would work in real time so that it gives you a better picture. So I'm going to log employee number 6 onto the same job as employee number 5 in the stripping section. So I'm going to go, this clock is what we use to track the time easily, and I'm going to, it's in the stripping section, and so when I clock on a job, it's going to be allocated to the stripping section. So I'm going to say, all right, I'm starting, and the employee number is 1235, and the job number is 26. Okay. So he's finished his clocking, and as soon as it gets refreshed, it now clocks him onto the job. So now I can immediately see what what employee number 6 is doing and which job and the time allocated. Now obviously I've got 2 guys working on the same job in the same station at the same time, and so this number is going to increase much quicker than if it was just one person. So you can easily track exactly who's doing what via the job clocks and through this who's doing what screen. You can also make this a full screen monitor in the shop or in your office so that you can very easily monitor exactly what's going on in your workshop at any given time.